So we've got positive plate, positive grid, a separator, negative plate, negative grid. No, let's be serious. This is what's in your battery. It is a grid pasted with lead, and it looks like that. It's quite paper thin, but that's all it is. That is a negative grid because it's the grey colour, and this is a positive grid because it's like a brownie colour. Now this is the separator, and if you believe it, it's just a tiny bit of plastic. Now these ones have top wire connectors, so that sits like that. Now I've broken it off, but that was connected to that, and so all of them are joined. And that's what it looks like. That goes in here to make one cell. And then there is 6 of those in here. And that's enough to power up my battery.